Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the rules for successful business. If you are a new visitor, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest informational and educational videos. Let's get started. If you started any business, then obviously you will advertise it. So better is to do that business that will advertise itself. First rule is do some unique business that no one did before. Bring some outstanding product or service that will be a new invention. Secondly, set unique name. If you have no idea to start up some unique business, it's okay. Think about unique name of your business, just like Google, Facebook, Yahoo, Coca-Cola, etc. These all are unique and rare. Your business name should be different but not be so difficult to call it or memorize it. Third rule is to sell one thing that is so special. Just like KFC and McDonald's are famous because of their special burger. Exactly. You same have to focus on just one thing, one product or service that must be outstanding and exceptional. Try to cash out your uniqueness. Sell that product or service that becomes your identification. Fourth rule you have to keep in your mind: if you want to grow your business, give it a different name. Your business is running successfully and you want to grow it. You want to bring some new product or service, so follow the policy: new product, new name. For example, you are selling juices or cold drinks and now you want to sell pizza, so you have to give a new name to a new product. Fifth and the most important rule is don't tell customers what you are selling. Tell them their need which you are fulfilling. For example, you are not selling juices, you are satisfying their thirst. You are not selling food, you are satisfying their hunger. You are not a driver, you brought customers to their destination. Tell people what your business can do for them, which need or want you are fulfilling. And the last rule is make customers your salesman. If the customers are satisfied from your product and the service, ask them to spread positive word of mouth about your business. Also ask them to bring 5 to 6 customers and you will gain some discount over the products or service they will buy, or any of their work you will do free of cost. This will help your business to grow faster and faster.